I folded it into two. I'll cut the front first. This very one is the sewing allowance. The length is 15 inches. This 1.5 inch is the band. I'll face the band from this place, 15 inches. Then I will add 2 inches for the sewing allowance. Everything will now be 16 inches. I'm going to measure 1/2 inch. Then this 1/2 inch, I'm just going to use it to shape in it. The waist and the hip is the same measurement because I'm going to use elastic on the waist. So 28 divided by 4 will give us 7. I'm measuring, this is 8 inches. So this very half you are seeing here is the sewing allowance. So I will measure 8 inches plus the band, 8 inches. From here to here now is 7 inches. I'm cutting this place 1.5 inch. From this place now, from here to here is 9 inches. So this 2 inches is the sewing allowance. Just curve this place like this. I'm using 4.5 for the pockets. This is the sewing allowance, 1/2 inch. So I mark 4.5. 2 inches here. This one is the pockets. This is the back. So I want to cut the back now. I'm going to add some inches for the sewing allowance. The waist is 28, the hip is 28. See what we have here now. This is the sewing allowance, 1/2 inch. This side 1/2 inch. I added 1/2 inch from here to the end. 1 inch. 1 inch here. I'll also add 1 inch here. Ew, my ruler broken. So this place now, this is 8.5. This very one don't actually have measurements. This is the pocket, right? This one will be here so that this black will not show. I'm going to sew this place now. I will also sew this place. So let's fix the pocket. This very one will be here, like so. Will be here like so. This is the right side. This is the wrong side. This is the back. Then take this side like this, just like so. The very one will be here. I'm going to sew this place. From here to here is 2 inches. So I'm going to sew this very line now. I will stop here. I will also sew this side. I will stop here. I want to notch the pocket now. I'm going to sew this place now. So I'll sew this place, and I'll also sew this place. I'll sew this place from here to this side. So I'll fix the other side of camera. You measure the waist round from here, from the middle. $30. This is the waistband. This is the sewing allowance. Make sure the right side is facing the right side, like so. This is the wrong side. This is the right side. The same measurement you measured there, 30 inches. You measure it here. Measure 15 inches. 15 plus 15 will give you 30 inches. I'm going to sew this place now. I'll sew it round. The person's waist is 22.5. Here is the sewing allowance. I'll go and sew it round. So I'm going to weave this place round. If you watch this video to the end, God bless you. Thank you very much. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and remember to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload video, you will be notified. Please help me share this video. You can share it to Facebook, share it to WhatsApp, share it everywhere, please. And if you have any question, leave your comment at the comment section. I would like to see you next time. God bless you. Bye bye.